Alright, in this video we're going to cover the Peggy Stitch Eraser 3. We carry this in the store for AdvantageInkStore.com. So if you make a mistake on your embroidery, let's say you didn't actually want to run this design on your shirt, you could take the stitch eraser and cut all the stitches off. Just opened up my box. Never used it yet, so this is the Peggy Stitch Eraser box. It will come with, as you can see, instructions, guidance, things like that. You get a thing of oil for your blades, brush for cleaning your blades, and if you ever need down the road to replacement blades, we do carry those in the store as well. So let me get into showing you how this works. So as I said, I just plugged this in straight out of the box. As you can see, here's my Peggy Stitch Eraser right here. Just plugged it in. Switch on the side here. Up turns it on. And of course your blades are up here. So you're going to use this area to apply to take your stitches out. And of course you're not going to go from the front. You're going to go from the back side. So you're going to want to see on the back, if you see your little bit of bobbin in there, that's where you're going to want to try to cut it, is in that bobbin area. And that should open up your threads and be able to pull those out really nice and easy. So even if it's still not in the hoop, you could do this. So you see, I just cut through all three of those. All three of those as well. And you can see how fast this is going. Some people want to use a razor blade and cut. That's a little dangerous. I've done it myself. If you don't have the right, let me shut this off. If you don't have the right pressure trying to cut your threads, you could cut through your backing, through your shirt, and into your finger if you got your finger on the other side. So it's a little dangerous, but you can do it that way. I'm just showing you this because this works so great. It is so fast. I mean, if I was using a razor blade cutting this, I'd probably still be on the first three here. Now I've just done this whole design. And let me show you when I flip over here. So since all the back is cut, I can just come up to the front. And as you see, this will all come out of the shirt. There's probably a faster way of doing this, but this is how I do it. I just pull them out. And if I can't get stuff to come out, I just go back in with my stitch eraser on the back side, do a little more cutting if I need to. But as you can see, this is super fast compared. Now there is a specific blade for this that is made. So you can't just go to your local Walmart and buy a wall beard trimmer and think it's the same. It's not. I mean, the beard trimmer will probably do approximately what this does, but it'll dull the blade right away. So as you can see, even the stabilizer isn't even cut. If you're using a razor blade, you'd be cutting through the stabilizer. I could probably keep this even still in the same frame and do embroidery right over top of it if I wanted to. So I think some of these that are right towards the end here are the knots. So once I get these knots cleaned up, everything will come right off of there. So I'll have a mess on the floor to clean up, but this is just for video to show you how easy this Peggy stitch eraser takes these stitches out. So in no time you can take a whole design out, fill stitches, satin stitches, it will do it. Of course the satin stitches are going to be a lot faster to get out versus the fill stitch, but it works great. As you can see, I mean, we're getting pretty cleaned up here. We have almost all this completely out. Needle holes are, you know, they're not even that bad. So like I said, you could put in a new design. I still have it in the same hoop. I could come in, pick a new design, sew right over top of this. It would probably hide all that. So I got a little bit of the yellow, the white. White. There we go. So really fast. I mean, that was 15 column eyes for an eye test, or your tension test basically. So took all them stitches out really fast. Now if I was like doing an X-Acto blade on the back, I'd still probably be doing this for another 10 minutes, but just wanted to show you, great product, how great and easy it works. Again, Peggy Stitch Eraser 3. It's in our store, AdvantageInkStore.com, and we do sell replacement blades as well if needed.